My project started when I found a massive steel bookshelf at the dump while getting rid of some scrap from another project. This thing weighed hundreds of pounds and had such a cool, unique hexagon shape that I couldn't just let it rot in the dump. So I loaded it up and brought it home and put it to use. My wife later did some research and found out it was a $4,000 custom designer furniture piece. It didn't work well as a stand-up shelf in our house, so I had the idea to turn it into a coffee table for our outdoor patio. We bought 6 plastic pots to hold the succulent gardens. I made 6 hexagon-shaped wood table inserts out of acacia butcher block countertop and laid them into the hexagon openings. There are aluminum channel strips underneath to hold them up. Then, using 2 kits and a few extra parts from easyfirepits.com, I made 2 glass fire pits in the side with 1 propane tank under to supply both of the fire rings. 2 days later, we were enjoying our fire pit table to the fullest. Thanks for making the process so easy. I emailed in with a couple of questions about splitting the propane tank into the 2 rings and got a very quick reply along with a complete list of items. I should definitely be purchasing again to make another project happen. 100% satisfied customer. easyfirepits.com.